Next up, we talked about that place that was going to be called Starbase. Well, this Japanese billionaire is looking for people to go to space with him.
Oh, okay.
He purchased one of the first flights over there from SpaceX. He's got a bunch of money. What is his name? His name is Yusaka Mizawa. And apparently he's no stranger to publicity stunts. I don't know, I guess it is a publicity stunt, but also kind of cool. I don't know. I guess a publicity stunt can be cool. There's no rules on this. It can be both. He's been looking for 8 people, 8 astronauts, would-be astronauts, 8 people for up to his selection that are going to go with him to space. Originally, he said they had to be creative. What did he say? I read it in here. I was like, what are those rules? Oh, they had to be an artist. Some kind of artist. He needed 8 artists with him because I guess he fashions himself as such. Well, he made the billions of dollars because he got clothing stores and things like that. He was looking for artists, Will.
Okay.
Then he changed the rules. He said everybody's an artist. Everybody's creative. And so now the process of selection has widened even greater, and I don't know how he's going to sift through this. But it's actually coming up faster than you might think. Apparently, this thing is set to go in 2023. And they're going to go up there, go around the moon, come back. What a time. 2023? It's not that far off. I guess Elon's got to deliver on it. And so who knows if that's going to take place. He recently was looking for a romantic partner for this adventure and then changed it again. He had 27,000 women sign up to participate in a matchmaking documentary on Japanese TV. 27,000 women.
Wow.
And then bailed out. I guess he called off the search. He had mixed feelings. That's the quote.
Oh.
This is tough to be a Japanese billionaire. You don't know what to do. Anyway, he's calling the project Dear Moon, and he's inviting the whole world to the mission. And it's a bit unclear how he's going to select, but I guess sign up. I don't know. If you want to be one of these 8 people, you better be a creative artist.
Yeah, Kanye. Just
go get him. What is that? I wonder what that is. You're trying to put together the dream team of 8 people in case what? In case you encounter extraterrestrial life forms and then you're ready to go. You're like, we got 8. Look at all these 8. These are great 8 people right here.
Yeah.
Don't you love us? Or something? Or is it just more the experience, the way it lives in his head, that he wants it to be the most epic as possible? He probably paid a few dollars to be the first one on this mission.
Yeah, maybe it's just the meeting of the minds.
That's all it is. It could very well be.